Hey guys, this is my first ever walkthrough. Actually, I'm playing Minecraft Pocket Edition, and well, we got lots of games we could play. By the way, well, what was that? Okay, by the way, I am on a server called play.sg.net, and this is very good. So usually, the maximum minutes I'm gonna be recording is gonna be like probably 30 minutes. The minimum is gonna be 10, and I'm gonna be doing my minimum today because I don't got very much time left. So first off, I'm going to be playing Spleef. If I can. Okay. Let's get teleported. It's pretty cool. What the heck? Okay, that sucks. I disconnected. Okay, let me retry. No, I'm just gonna Skywars, whatever. Excuse me. Oh my. Okay, I'm just going to go to the survival games since nothing seems to be working. By the way, my skin. This is my skin right here. Alright. That's what I really look like. Besides the skin color and the hair. But my jacket looks exactly like that. Which one do I go? I'm punching sides. Oh god. Yeah. Hunger Games, come on, let's go. Ooh, diamond, yeah, boy. Oh my god, everyone's after me. I'm holding a freaking diamond. Oh, 15 seconds until invincibility. I'm gonna put this on, this on, this on. Oh, let's put gold. And, yeah. Oh, crap. Someone's coming after me for now. Dang it. Run, run, run. Oh, phew. He doesn't have anything. Oh, crap. Damn. Come back here. Stop running. Stop running. Stop running. Die. I see diamonds right there. That's pretty cool. Did he die? How? Ah, I hate parkour. I have to parkour my way up here. Dang it! Okay. I'm working on it. Oh, I can bring it. Cool. Dang it. I want to get up there. I haven't killed no one yet. It's bad for me. Dang it. Dang it. Okay. I'm just gonna go down here. Oh crap. Hey, come here. Die you. Dang it. No. Yeah, I died. And I'm lagging out with it. Wait a minute. Oh, I think I'm spectating right now. Wait, I'm supposed to stay here. I'm dead. Well, guys, I died. What do you know? And all my stuff dropped down there. Hey, I still have my diamond. I want 2 diamonds. No. No. Why? Excuse me. Well, let's enjoy this snowy waterfall. Plus, oh my gosh, that looks pretty cool. Dang it. I can still jump. Can I fly? No. Wait a minute. Yes. Oh, dang it. I can't dig. I can't type. Should I just leave the game? I was so close. What if I sprint? Come on. This is gonna take a while. Oh, yeah. I don't think I even typed anything. What if I could? I'm gonna make my way down slowly. Oh, hey, it worked. Oh, what? How come I'm always so... Ah. What's happening? I'm just gonna leave this. It sucks. Let's play the walls. I'm about to go anyways. In about 3 more minutes. Disconnect, let me guess. Yes, maybe. No, maybe, yeah. Gosh. Dang it. I really want to play Spleef. Actually, I want to parkour this thing. but please, please, please. Disconnect again. Watch. I knew it. Dang it, wrong one. Gosh dang it. Yeah, I can't play in the games. I don't know what's wrong. Why is everyone my skin? Why is everyone my skin? I don't have enough time. I'll take that just on it. Dang it! Someone took everything. Dang it. I guess I'm running. Or exploring. No one's following me good. Okay. Dang it. Excuse me. We're gonna start running. There's no chest anywhere. Oh crap. No one will get me up here. Or there. I could try parkour my way up there. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it, okay. Let's try over here. Let's try up there. Okay, I don't care. Yeah, boy. How am I gonna get up there? Wow, someone was right there. Okay, well, I'm done. No one to find. I know I just saw someone right there, but it's boring. Okay, see you in the next walkthrough. Hopefully it'll be better. Bye.